Hello, in this video we'll show you how to extract data available just for authorized users. We will set up data call campaign to extract thread titles from forum just for members section. We are going to implement authorization using data call embedded browser. Let's use advanced campaign wizard for this purpose. In this case, we need to select browser for web page loading. To make browser authorize when page is loading, we will create simple user action imitation scenario. To create scenario, we launch data call picker. The action record panel on the right side of the window allows us to create various scenarios, imitating different user actions like mouse click, typing, scroll, etc. The scenario consists of the blocks. One block is a separate action set. For authorization scenario, we need a single block. Edit. When we add the block, we should set its name, so in future it will be easier to edit the scenario. Now we can add the user actions. But first we should understand what actions user implements to authorize at the website. Usually he must enter his login, password and click to the login button. To imitate login enter, we should add set value action. For this purpose we use the context menu. It appears after we make right mouse click on the web element we are going to create action for. Now we set up text to enter. In this case it is our login. Similarly to login enter action, we create password enter action. Now we need to add login button click action. Thereafter we add wait event to be sure that authorization is completed before we proceed working with the website. Wait delay value is 1000 milliseconds with the random deviation up to 500 milliseconds. The deviation is needed to make surfing as natural as possible for servers which use any advanced scraping blocking mechanism. We should also add navigate event, which will repeat original page load after authorization. Usually it is not needed because most websites redirect us back to the original page after authorization. So we make that just to be reassured. You should understand that wait and navigate actions are optional, but they ensure reliable authorization scenario processing for most cases. There we go, scenario is ready. Now we only need to test it. Launch the scenario test. We see that it is pretty fast to process, and we are successfully authorized. So we click the Save button. The further setting is pretty simple. Similar cases are described in our previous videos. Set up pagination links extraction to extract thread titles from all current section pages, not just from the first one. Set up data range identification. Set up data extraction. Thereafter, we close the wizard and get to testing. Push the Start button. In a while, we see browser loaders appear and start loading web pages. Note that the authorization scenario is implemented as well. Soon, data extraction results appear. After the campaign is completed, all the extracted data will be saved to the Excel file. By default, it is generated in the Documents folder. The file name matches the new campaign name.